Bhakti Vedanta Swami iti namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharne. Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatadesha Charne. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktivinoda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chapandi. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So you like to chant Hare Krishna? So how? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So how do you feel when you chant Hare Krishna? Anandam. Chala Anandam. Is it? You like that? So go on chanting.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Throughout your whole life, go on chanting. Life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
This chanting will carry us all the way to the lotus feet of Krishna in the spiritual world. This material world is simply suffering. Did any of you notice? What do you think? Kuncham. Sampurnam. As Sampurna Dukham. As long as we're thinking we can be happy in this world, we have to get born again and again in it. When we take happiness in chanting Hare Krishna, then we relish spiritual bliss. It's a fact. It's practical. Vyavaharik. Yeah, you can practically experience it. And we can also experience how in this material world we struggle so much to be happy, but there's no real happiness there. What is the happiness in this world? If we think I'll have a big TV, is that happiness? If we think I'll have a lot of money, is that happiness? Maya makes us think so. So give up all this nonsense. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy at Krishna's lotus feet. Grihe tako bane tako sada hari bale dako. Whether you're living in an ashram, you're living in the forest, or you're living in your home, chant Hare Krishna. You can go on with your daily activities, but make chanting Hare Krishna the center of your daily activities. And please come and join us time to time. At least come once a week and join in the kirtan and sing with all the devotees together. And in your home, take Krishna Prasadam. You can cook and offer there. That's all. It's a very simple program. And by Krishna's grace, you can be very happy in this life and very happy eternally in the spiritual world with Krishna. All right. I won't speak very long now. Basically, the message is the same every time. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So devotees came from where? Goraipali, Masaipet, Raghunathpuram. Is it? All different villages? Bongir also they came, huh? Oh, that's nice. Goraipali I can see some devotees are here. Very nice. So we have devotees here from Russia. Where are the Russian devotees? They all like to come? Show your beautiful smiling faces. Yeah, come. There are more also. They're not here. There are some lady devotees. Maybe they just want to stand up there. They're a little shy. Yeah. Oh, there's no use to translate it in Telugu, is there? Yeah. You can stand up. So they're also living in a rural community in Russia. They're living... Yeah, village like that. They've left the big cities to come together, live simply and chant Hare Krishna. So we're very happy to receive them here. And maybe if you invite them, they'll keep on coming back again and again. Hare Krishna. Alright, do you have prasadam for the devotees, all the visitors? Okay, what did you prepare on Ekadashi?
We have 5-6 items.
Oh, you have a full feast. That's good. Nice. That's also a very important item of devotional service, observing Ekadashi. It used to be that many people used to follow that in India, but now people don't even know about it. Anyway, you can follow. How many are here observe Ekadashi? Yeah, that's our devotees, yeah. Yeah, I know, all of you, you're following. Okay, that's nice. Alright, maybe I'll just I'll just meet the devotees, those who are regularly chanting, disciples. I can just say Hare Krishna to them. Same in Bengali. Ekane, Shekane. Ekane, Shekane. Hindi. Urdu is Idur, Udur. Hindi, Yahapa, Wahapa. That's English here, there. Similar. Tamil, Inge, Inga, Anga. So here the Gaura Pali. How is